How to lose weight at home. Subscribe now, like, and share this video. Managing your weight is beneficial for both your physical and mental well-being. With a few simple tricks and lifestyle adjustments, you can make sure the pounds stay off, and who knows, you can even shed a few kilos in the process. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. 1. Manage your calorie intake. It's really not rocket science. If you don't want to put on weight, you have to stop eating more than your body needs. Even if before the mandatory isolation you have been living a relatively sedentary lifestyle, being indoors for most of the time means you are burning fewer calories than you used to. And this means you should eat less to adjust to this new lifestyle. 2. Try intermittent fasting. Even if you don't want to swap out Mars bars for kale and broccoli, you can drastically reduce calorie consumption by only eating at a certain time window a day. Probably the most popular way is to do intermittent fasting. This way, you sleep through most of the fats, making it super easy to do so. Well, somewhat easier anyway. 3. Drink plenty of water. Drinking more water is beneficial for a lot of reasons, and now that we are all grounded in our homes, people can't really use the usual excuse not to drink more, which is, I'll need to go to the toilet more often, since the washroom is really always available at home. Drinking plenty of water can help metabolism and, most importantly, it can also help you feel fuller for longer. The best combination is eating more fibrous food, more vegetables, mainly, and drinking plenty of water. Cold-pressed bars are okay as a snack too with lots of water, although they are by nature quite high in sugar. Low-sugar protein bars and savory snacks like beef or vegan jerky are a great alternative to chocolate bars as a mid-afternoon snack. Nuts are okay, although they are very energy-dense, high in good fats, so you should only eat a small portion at the time. The best reusable water bottles will be in the description box below. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. 4. Use a fitness tracker. Although we are stuck indoors, having a fitness tracker or running watch around your wrist can still be beneficial. One of the more casual features of these fitness wearables is the movement reminder that prompts you, once every hour, to get up and walk for a bit. Now, being in isolation doesn't help, but getting off from the sofa periodically can be beneficial for your overall well-being nevertheless, even if it is just to have a stretch or to put away some washing. Fitness trackers and running watches also measure calories burned so you can adjust your calorie consumption to your calorie expenditure. These devices are not ultra-precise, but they will give you a good estimate nevertheless. Today's best prices on Garmin Forerunner watches are in the description. Also, you could check out today's best prices on the best current Fitbit fitness trackers in the description. 5. Get a smart scale. Just like fitness trackers, bathroom scales, the smart scale variety can also measure energy expenditure and tell you how many calories you burn, as well as other deets about your body, like bone, muscle mass, and, most importantly, body fat percentage. They don't even cost the earth either. The Tanita BC401 body composition monitor is less than 80 pounds and measures 10 different body metrics. Cheaper than getting a Garmin Fenix 6 Pro, for sure. Today's best Tanita scales deals are in the description below. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. 6. Do HIIT workouts. HIIT workouts have never really gone out of fashion, but they are definitely in at the moment, mainly because they are an effective way to burn calories and can be done indoors, using your body weight only, a kettlebell, dumbbells, treadmills, exercise bikes, rowing machines, and basically everything you can think of. We have seen a gym water bottle Tabata workout before, too. Today's best gym and fitness deals, stock checked every 30 minutes, will be in the description. 7. Challenge yourself. The best way to motivate yourself to move more and therefore to burn more calories more efficiently is set up a challenge for yourself. Although you can't leave the house for leisure activities, you still have plenty of options. How about a 30-day push-up challenge? Start with doing one on day 1 and adding one more every day and see if you can keep up with the pace. Maybe you can improve your mobility? Improving hamstring flexibility can be quite challenging for some, but being more flexible can improve your general comfort levels significantly. Shoulder mobility is also a massive issue among the adult population. Get some resistance bands and do 2 arm shoulder circles. However, if you don't want to lose weight by doing workouts, click the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.